UberTile, technology for tiling. UberMatt is an uncoupling membrane made in Germany. UberMatt is only 1/8 of an inch thick and features a heat-bonded fleece on both the top and bottom sides of the membrane. This video will demonstrate how to install UberMatt over a single layer wood subfloor. These are the required tools and materials for installation. Start by sweeping or vacuuming the floor to remove dust. Using clean water and a sponge, wipe the floor to remove any remaining dust. As the fleece of the UberMatt will absorb water from the thinset, mix the thinset to the wettest consistency allowed by the thinset manufacturer's instruction. Use a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square notch trowel. Use the flat side of the trowel to key the thinset into the subfloor. Then, using the notched side of the trowel, spread thinset onto the subfloor in a uniform direction. If a skin forms on the thinset mortar before the UberMatt is installed, remove the thinset and reapply fresh thinset. Unroll the UberMatt into the fresh thinset with the circular indentations of the UberMatt facing up as shown. Embed the UberMatt into the fresh thinset using either a grout float firmly pressed with body weight across the top of the UberMatt or a 50 to 75 pounds weighted roller. Verify the correct transfer of thinset to the underside of the UberMatt immediately by lifting a corner of the UberMatt as shown. Do not wait or you will break the thinset adhesion. You can now begin tile installation.